Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we are going to be setting up this DJI RS4. One beautiful thing about this gimbal is that it's a professional gimbal and you just need to learn how to set it up properly. If you don't, you will have several issues that is not necessarily arising from the gimbal but because of your inability to set it up properly. So if this is your first video on how to set up this gimbal, we're going to be showing you how to balance it and calibrate it and make it shoot ready. Now I want to encourage you to like, share and subscribe to this channel. In this channel we bring to you amazing content on how you can use your equipment, your camera, your lenses, your microphones and all that you have, and how you can actually become a very successful content creator. And unlock this button. I'll lock it. I'll put it on the camera. This place. So the goal is to open it, and you can move this front or back to balance your camera. You can see if your camera is tilting forward, you move it back a bit. If it's tilting too back, you move it forward a little until it's balanced. And once it's balanced, you can now lock it. You lose this guy and bring it to yourself. Bring your camera up or down until you make sure that your lens is facing up. And usually I will have mine at just a little bit under 3, and you can see that it's working perfectly well. One of the ways to show that this thing is really well set is the fact that, you know, every angle that you put it will stay in that angle. So because it's falling forward, I'm going to loosen this guy a bit and move it a bit backward, just a little. Good. So let's see again. I'm still having it fall. Here it is. It should be able to stay at any angle that you put it. You can see that it's facing up properly, and when you tilt it, it should be able to stay at any angle that you put it. We're going to unlock this guy, and you see how it's falling. So we are going to unlock this too and adjust it properly. So we adjust it. And this is it. I've not locked it, so now I can lock it. Perfect. If you've been able to balance your camera here, this arm, you know, here and here, the next thing is to balance your camera here. So we are going to show you how to do it. Number one, you carry this thing towards yourself, but you do that after you must have unlocked here and here. So you've not unlocked it, we unlock it now. You can see to that, and the same thing here. So this is it. This is already balanced. As you can see, it is very well balanced, and if it's not balanced, you can see it tilting either to this side or to this side. But right now you can see that this gimbal or this hinge or this joint here is already balanced because it's rightly, you know, on the level to the camera. So yeah, I'm going to keep it down and lock it back. The next thing we are going to do is to turn on the camera to calibrate it, and we are going to do that by pressing down this button, and the DJI is on. As you can see now, this is a new gimbal, so we are going to do all this again. Unlocked, and one of the things we are going to do is do a calibration of the gimbal. So I'm going to start calibrating gimbal, and you can see that the gimbal will be shaking, and once it's done calibrating, you are going to see it. And once your gimbal is done calibrating, everything will perfectly well. So this is it, is 80% already, is 100%, and the gimbal is done calibrating. Now if you carry this gimbal up, it works perfectly well. Can you see? Can you see your gimbal now? Your gimbal is very much working because all the parts of this gimbal were set up appropriately. So this is your gimbal, and this is how you can set up your gimbal. So this was our setting of the DJI RS4. I hope you were able to learn one or two things from this video, and if you have any question or there is any of these things that I missed, please put it in the comment section below. Many people will learn from your comments, and we are willing to answer any question you may have. Thank you so much, and God bless you.